Sugarcane undergoes a fascinating transformation from seed to sugar. The sugarcane farm process is a meticulous and labor-intensive journey that requires careful planning, precise execution, and a deep understanding of nature. From planting to harvesting, the process involves several stages that demand attention to detail, hard work, and a passion for cultivating the land. In this video, we will delve into the world of sugarcane farming, exploring the various steps involved in sugarcane farming. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Step number 1. Soil preparation for sugarcane. Before planting your sugarcane, it's essential to ensure the soil is well drained and fertile. Start by testing the soil pH to see if any amendments are needed. Sugarcane grows best in slightly acidic soils with a phage range of 5.5 to 6.5. If adjustments are necessary, add lime or sulfur accordingly. Next, plow the land thoroughly to break up compacted soil layers and promote better root growth. Remove any weeds or debris that could hinder the development of your sugarcane plants. Incorporate organic matter like compost or manure into the soil to enhance its nutrient content, supporting healthy plant growth throughout the growing season. Step number 2. Planting the sugarcane. Planting sugarcane is a crucial step in establishing a successful sugarcane farm. To start, choose healthy sugarcane stalks with at least one bud, as these will grow into new plants. Prepare the soil by plowing and adding organic matter to ensure good drainage and nutrient availability. Plant the stalks in furrows or trenches, spacing them adequately to allow room for growth. Water the newly planted sugarcane thoroughly to help establish roots. After planting, monitor the growth regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Step number 3. Irrigation and fertilization strategies. Irrigation practices play a major role in ensuring the optimal growth and development of sugarcane crops. Adequate water supply is essential for sugarcane plants to thrive and produce high yields. Sugarcane requires consistent watering throughout its growing cycle, especially during dry periods. Drip irrigation or sprinkler systems are commonly used to provide the necessary moisture directly to the plant's roots. Proper irrigation scheduling is key to preventing water stress and optimizing nutrient uptake by the plants. Monitoring soil moisture levels regularly can help farmers adjust their irrigation practices accordingly. Overwatering must be avoided as it can lead to waterlogging, resulting in root rot and decreased oxygen availability for the plant roots. Finding the right balance in watering frequency and volume is essential for healthy sugarcane crops. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that are necessary for the development of strong sugarcane plants. Different varieties may require varying fertilizer formulations, so it's important to understand the specific needs of your chosen variety. Soil testing is crucial for determining the nutrient levels in your soil and identifying any deficiencies that need to be addressed through fertilization. Step number 4. Pest management and disease control. Pests can pose a significant threat to your sugarcane crop, causing damage and reducing yield. Implementing effective pest management strategies is crucial to ensure a healthy harvest. A common pest in sugarcane farming is the sugarcane borer, which tunnels into the stalks and weakens the plant. Integrated pest management practices can be utilized to combat these pests, involving cultural, biological, and chemical control methods to minimize pest populations. Cultural practices such as maintaining proper field sanitation can help reduce pest habitats. Biological controls involve introducing natural predators or parasites that feed on pests without harming the crop. Additionally, selective pesticide application can target specific pests while minimizing environmental impact. Regular monitoring of pest populations is essential for early detection and intervention before infestations occur. Diseases can also significantly impact the yield and quality of sugarcane crops if not managed effectively. A common disease in sugarcane is smut, which can cause deformed growth and reduce sugar content. To combat this, farmers can use resistant varieties or fungicides as preventive measures. Another prevalent disease is rust, characterized by orange pustules on leaves. Proper sanitation practices and timely application of fungicides can help prevent its spread. Leaf scald is another concern for sugarcane farmers, causing leaves to turn yellow and reducing photosynthesis. Regularly monitoring plant health and implementing appropriate treatments are essential for controlling leaf scald. Step number 5. Harvesting techniques. The best time to harvest sugarcane is when it reaches optimal maturity, typically between 12 to 18 months after planting. Harvesting too early can lead to lower sugar content, while waiting too long can cause the quality to decline. Traditionally, sugarcane is harvested manually using machetes or specialized knives. This method requires skilled laborers who carefully cut the stalks close to the ground without causing damage. In modern agriculture, mechanical harvesters are also used to make the process more efficient, especially on larger farms. Once the sugarcane is harvested, it is crucial to transport it quickly to processing facilities for sugar extraction. Proper storage is important to preserve the sugar content and prevent the cane from deteriorating before processing begins. Efficient harvesting techniques are essential not only for achieving a good yield, but also for maintaining the quality of the final product, which is sugar. Step number 6. Post-harvest handling. After the hard work of growing and harvesting sugarcane, post-harvest handling is crucial to maintain quality. Once harvested, the sugarcane stalks need to be transported quickly to processing facilities to avoid deterioration. The stalks are then cleaned and stripped of leaves before being crushed to extract the juice. This juice goes through various stages of purification to obtain raw sugar crystals. The leftover fibrous material, known as bagasse, can be used to produce biofuels or as a renewable energy source in cogeneration plants. Moreover, molasses, another byproduct obtained during sugar production, is often used in animal feed or alcohol distillation processes. Efficient post-harvest handling ensures maximum resource utilization and minimizes waste and environmental impact. By carefully managing this stage of the sugarcane farming process, farmers can contribute to sustainable agricultural practices and the industry's economic viability. Future trends in sugarcane agriculture. The emerging trend in sugarcane farming is the integration of precision agriculture techniques. Farmers are increasingly using drones and sensors to monitor crop health and optimize their inputs more effectively. This technology allows them to precisely apply water, fertilizers, and pesticides, reducing waste and improving yields. Sustainable practices are also becoming a focal point in the sugarcane industry. More farmers are adopting eco-friendly methods, such as organic farming and integrated pest management (IPM), to minimize their environmental impact. These practices help meet consumer demands for ethically produced sugar products and contribute to a healthier ecosystem. Additionally, there is a focus on developing genetically modified sugarcane strains that can thrive in changing climate conditions while maintaining high productivity levels. These advancements are crucial for ensuring the crop's resilience and sustainability in the face of global warming. Sugarcane farming offers a promising opportunity for farmers to cultivate a versatile crop with various uses, from sugar and ethanol to bio-based products. By adopting best practices and embracing innovation, farmers can help meet the growing demand for sugar while safeguarding the environment and promoting long-term agricultural viability. Biggest producers of sugarcane farm. The world's largest producers of sugarcane are Brazil, India, and China. Brazil stands out as the leading producer, accounting for approximately 40% of the world's total sugarcane production. In 2020, Brazil produced a staggering 757.1 million tons of sugarcane, which is significantly higher than the production of other major producers. India comes in second, producing 370.5 million tons, followed closely by China with 108.1 million tons. These three countries together account for more than 60% of the world's total sugarcane production. The significant production of sugarcane in these countries is largely due to their favorable climates, with Brazil and India being tropical and China being subtropical. The sugarcane produced in these countries is primarily used for the production of sugar, ethanol, and other byproducts. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section below. Like and share the video and follow us for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching.